Came across a bunch of rhinos here that's busy having a little bit of a fight with each other. Now, a lot of people always ask us why don't we dehorn the rhinos, and this is actually the reason why we don't do it, because for them to fight like this and sort each other out, this is a very important part of their social structuring, and without the horns there's no way for them to determine which one of them is the more dominant one, and you always want the more dominant gene to move forward. And without this, you'll have a deterioration in their genetic pool, and at the end of the day, there will be weaker rhinos walking around, and that could lead to an even quicker rate of extension, or the numbers of rhinos going down. So this is a very important part of their social structure, so it's very good for them to be fighting like that, and it's always important to try and keep their horns where they are.